A week after fire engulfed the Araromi tire market in the gate area of Agodi, Ibadan, the smoke is yet to die down, while traders are still hopeful of salvaging what's left of their property. Not much can be done about the damage, but Chairman of the Tire Dealers Association, Temidire Market, Mr. Oludayo Akonde, wants the government to come to their aid.
Millions of people were selling markets inside this market, and it cannot be easy for government to relocate us. What we want government to do for us is that those people that are affected with the fires, that they are bonds, they are market bonds, they should compensate them.
Government officials say preliminary investigation suggests that the fire may have been started by cigarette butts dumped around flammable materials.
The people will need to make a representation to government so that the government can see what can be done in terms of helping them or supporting them at this time of loss. We need to take extra measures, precautionary measures, to ensure that we are safe at a time like this.
The Director of Fire Services, Oyo State, wants residents to be extra careful during the dry season.
Everybody must be fire conscious, and we must make sure that our children, wives, husbands, they are being educated at home not to handle fire carelessly.
This is the third time fire would raise the market, and traders, grateful for the advice from the fire department, feel it's time to have a fire station closer to the area. This is the third time that fire would raise the market, and traders, grateful for the advice from the fire department, feel it's time to have a fire station closer to the area.